Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a coin that I thought originally when I was buying it was a £5 coin as part of my £5 coin commemoration set that I needed to update. However, this is not one of those coins. This coin is an Andrew and Sarah's wedding anniversary. I believe it might be Gibraltar. There's no markings on it to actually give the country. It just says that it's to commemorate the marriage of His Royal Highness Prince Andrew, as he then was, to Sarah Ferguson. And it gives the date of the wedding as the 23rd of July 1986. It is a conjoined portrait of both Andrew in the front with Sarah behind, and on the back it has a crested ANS for Andrew and Sarah and a garland of some description, along with the date of the wedding and where it's been held. As I said at the beginning, I thought this was originally a £5 coin when I saw it. It's only after I sort of received it that I found out that it wasn't the £5 coin. It is just a commemorative coin from one of the Commonwealth countries. As I say, I believe it is either a Gibraltar or an Ascension Islands. I'm not sure which one as yet. I haven't quite been able to track it down. However, it is what it is. It's a coin that commemorates a royal wedding. It's probably one of the least sought after coins, I'd have thought. Andrew and Sarah, sort of second son of Her Majesty the Queen, and their third son. It's a bit like Harry and Meghan. The only reason that their wedding coin is sought after is the strike your own one. The other bunk version you can pick up for pennies on the internet. So, what do you think of this coin? Do you like it? I didn't pay too much for it. It was just a couple of quid. So it's there. I've now got it as part of my collection, and it will stay as part of my collection. You know, it's now that I've got it, I will keep it. I've only got one of them. If you've liked it, tell me what you think about it. Even if you don't like it, would you have bought this coin if you're trying to complete a set? However, it wasn't what the coin I was hoping for, but as I say, it will still have a place in my collection. For those of you having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you can find the coins you're looking for. For those of you who are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price that you want to pay. And in the meantime, until we all meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, if you've liked this, please give me a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, I would love you to do so. And until we meet up again on this channel, from me, bye bye now. Ta-da!